And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to delete Google Map contribution. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply tap open your Google Maps. So once you have tapped it open, you will end up in this kind of interface. So now all you need to do is simply tap on the contribute option. So once you have tapped on contribute, you can find that I have done 3 contributions. So simply tap on it, and once you have done this, you will end up in your profile. So here I have posted 2 of the reviews which are my current contributions. So simply tap on the 3 dots line right beside it. Once you do this, you can find an option called delete review. Simply tap on it and tap on yes. Once you do this, your review will now be gone. This means that you have deleted that particular contribution on Google Maps. So this is how you can simply delete Google Maps contribution. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.